The interior fuse box in the Opel Mokka I from 2012 to 2019 is located under the dashboard on the driver's side. It's behind a plastic cover or glove compartment door. Access it by pulling a lever or removing screws to expose the fuse layout diagram. The interior fuse box protects your Mokka's cabin electronics like lights, power windows, audio, and climate control. It prevents electrical overloads, safeguarding against fires and malfunctions by acting as a safety barrier in the electrical system. The interior fuse box in the Opel Mokka I is located under the driver's side dashboard. This position makes it easily accessible for quick checks and replacements. The fuse box is typically protected by a plastic cover. In some Mokka models, it may be accessed through the glove compartment door. Look for a small lever or release mechanism. To access the fuses, gently pull the lever or use a screwdriver to release any clips holding the cover. This usually takes just a few seconds and requires no special tools beyond a basic screwdriver. Once removed, the fuse layout diagram, printed on the cover or panel, will be clearly visible, showing which fuse controls each electrical component. The interior fuse box in the Opel Mokka I contains approximately 30 to 40 fuses, organized in a systematic layout for easy access. These fuses come in two main types: mini blade fuses and standard blade fuses, each rated by amperage to protect different electrical circuits. Common amperage ratings include 10 amps for interior lights and 15 amps for power windows, with each fuse color-coded for quick identification. A fuse puller tool is typically included with the vehicle for safe and easy removal of fuses without damaging them. A common electrical problem in the Opel Mokka I is a blown 10-amp fuse at position F12, which powers the cigarette lighter and can cause dashboard lights to fail. To replace the fuse, access the interior fuse box by removing the glove box trim. This typically takes 5 to 10 minutes and may only require a screwdriver. The fuse box diagram shows position F12 for the cigarette lighter circuit. Always check the vehicle's manual for exact layout. Experts from automotive engineering praise the Opel Mokka I's interior fuse box for its exceptional accessibility and simplicity. Independent mechanics and automotive professionals rate it 8 out of 10 for ease of maintenance, calling it idiot-proof for beginners. Key features include its location under the driver's side dashboard, clear labeling of fuses, and the fact that no special tools are required for access. Here's a schematic diagram showing the fuse layout, with each position clearly marked for different electrical circuits. This photo shows the actual fuse box with colored fuses and relays, demonstrating the practical accessibility. And this layout diagram from official sources confirms the user-friendly design that makes maintenance straightforward for vehicle owners. Checking and replacing fuses yourself can save you $100 to $200 annually compared to dealership visits. The Opel Mokka I's straightforward design makes it a prime example for DIY repairs. While the Opel Mokka I relies on traditional mechanical fuse systems with blade-type fuses protecting electrical circuits, automotive technology is evolving rapidly. Newer vehicles are shifting to electronic fuse boxes that monitor circuits digitally and can reset automatically. Integration with diagnostic tools like OBD2 scanners allows real-time monitoring of fuse status and electrical faults. Solid-state relays are replacing traditional fuses, offering faster response times and greater reliability without physical components that can wear out. However, the traditional fuse system in the Mokka I continues to be reliable and effective for its intended use.